Alright, so the very first thing we're going to do is establish the length and the new outline of this haircut. Basically, we're going to do a bob with layers, or layered bob, however you want to say it. But in order to do that, we have to establish the bob first. The bob aspect of the haircut is basically cutting the outline, cutting the length to where we want it to sit. So, as you can see, I am going through right now and establishing that outline in the haircut. Once the outline's completed, then we will go ahead and address the layering. Now the layering is going to help remove some of the weight in the hair so that it can have more body, more volume. If your model or client have a lot of hair, and lots of hair tends to be heavy and lays flat, and they want more body, then consider adding some layers into the haircut. So we're going to do some layering here in a second, but as I mentioned first, we've got to establish the outline. Now that the outline is done, you can see we're going to go through and now start layering it, just taking that corner off right there. The previous haircut was a graduated bob, so you can see down by the neck area. It's already a little bit shorter because it was once a graduated bob, so that graduation sat down nice and tight. It is obviously a grown-out graduated bob, and now we're making it into a layered bob, so all we have to do is remove that corner to lighten up the haircut. As you can see, I'm executing the layering on the left side first, taking sections over directing them to the previous section. And then once I've completed the layering on the left side, we will then go ahead and do the layering on the right side. Alright, so now that the left side is all done, it is time to do the layering on the right side. As you can see, same thing, taking sections up to down, combing them to the previous section, using that previous section as my guide to know how short to cut the layers on this side. And once we are all done, we will be all done. Well, as you can see, the hair is now dried, and we've come to the end of this bob with layers, or a layered bob, however you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much for watching.